Drawer Sri Viresh Borkar.
फाल्यां उरतलें आमकां कितें इट विल गो ऑन टुमारो कितें तें आतां
Fear and anxiety amongst Goans that inspired Deputy Collector or Director of Forest issuing order for cutting of dangerous trees or tree branches. Such dangerous trees are not trimmed or cut, neither by the owner, Panchayat, nor any other concerned department, thus posing a threat to life and property. Hence, request the government to take necessary steps in this matter. Speaker, sir. माझे थोडे रिपोर्ट्स आसा स्पीकर सर म्हाका टेबल करपाक जाय कित्याक आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन खुबशे जाले हांव टेबल करता
श्री एल्टन डिकोस्टा.
माफी मागता मरे
reason called okitto. Fear and anxiety in the minds of general public regarding increase of dengue cases across the state. What precautions government will take to prevent dengue cases in the state?
श्री जी Tarulkar.
Fear and anxiety in the mind of parents, staff and students of government high school, Agarwada and government high secondary, Perennium. Due to the condition of respective institution buildings, the hazardous state of buildings with ceiling on the verge of collapse and has created a hostile learning environment, putting the safety and well-being of students, staff and at risk. The buildings require immediate repair and infrastructure update to provide a safe and conducive learning environment. The immediate step government intend to take in this regards.
PWD check करून नोंद करपाक लायता स्पीकर.
श्री विजय सरदेसाई.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of businessmen with regards to ease of doing business in the state of Goa. स्पीकर सर एक सायडीन सरकार म्हणटा ease of business आमी करता, दुसरे सायडीन तुमचो आमदार आर्म ट्विस्टिंग कशें करता MPAचेर हें सगळ्यांक दाखोव येता. मुखेलमंत्र्याक हांव धाडटाय वाचूंक ना जाल्यार सारकें फ्रंट पेजीचेर आयलां हांवें. BJP MLA आमोणकार threatens companies, puts Goa port at risk. Companies may junk Goa for cargo operations in Karwar. After BJP MLA's arm twisting, Birla shift operations to Maharashtra.
Speaker sir, already issue is resolved.
Speaker sir, issue resolved म्हळ्यार कितें आमकां कळूंक ना. resolved म्हळ्यार कितें फिक्सिंग आसतलें.
सर खुद्द
स्पीकर सर सरकाराक 16 कोटी रुपया लॉस जाला म्हयन्याक वर्साक.
स्पीकर सर MPAच्या चेअरमॅनान डायरेक्ट सांगला कोणाचो डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू ना म्हणून
सांग बरं उत्तर दी मरे तशें
आनी इश्यू रिजॉल्व केला.
मागीर हे पेपराचेर आयले ते कितें पिशे ते
स्पीकर सर खुद्द MPAच्या चेअरमॅन
कंपनी सोडून वता. स्पीकर सर एक सायडीन इज ऑफ बिझनेस म्हणटा, दुसरे सायडीन धमकी दिवन पयशे कलेक्ट करतात तुमी. हे तुमचे हे जाला कल्चर.
तो नाका जाल्ले आरोप करीत आसा.
100% नाका जाल्ले कितें. Speaker sir, I'll place this on the table of the House.
Speaker sir, the newspaper is not a proof.
Are newspaper not proof? Newspaper तुम्ही ऍड कित्याक घालतात तर टू प्रोपगेट युअर पॉलिसीज. त्याच न्यूजपेपरान फ्रंट पेजीर घाला स्पीकर सर.
Reginald.
Because sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of the people that telephone, cable, internet operators haphazardly hang their wires on electrical poles, along with the trees, porticios of the building. The unlawful and arbitrary and unapproved use of the department's poles is only an eyesore, but it poses potential danger to public safety. Action the government intends to take in this regard as these hanging webs of tangling wires, cables pose lives to danger, especially during monsoons and rainy seasons. Speaker sir, one small statement I will make.
Yes.
एकूच मिनिट. इतले जाला हां की ते वायर्स एके पाट हँग जाता, लोक मरता. एक पॉलिसी I want from the government, one policy for these cables. You charge them also, but let there be a policy for cables. Because सगळे लायटी पोंदा पोल, बिल्डिंगाचे पोल हुई मारले, ते मातशें एक प्रॉपर सिस्टम एक गव्हर्मेंटान एक एश्युरन्स दिनी म्हाका.
Benji Vegas.
स्पीकर सर, गोवा टेलिकॉम पॉलिसी 2020 ऑलरेडी केल्ली आसा आनी सेंट्राचो मॅन्डेटा प्रमाणे IT डिपार्टमेंट जेन्ना नोडल जाल्या, वी हॅव इश्यूड नोटिसीस टू ऑल एजन्सीज टू एन्श्योर दे आर टेकिंग ड्यू परमिशन्स. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचे थोडे जाण एरियल केबलिंग केल्लें आसा, खूब जाणां कडेन परमिशनूय ना, सो वी आर नॉट हॅविंग डेटा. वी आर कंपायलिंग द सेम. हा एक्शन घेवन गेल्यार इंटरनेट डावन जाता. ते जावचें न्ही म्हणून वी हॅव आस्क्ड फॉर कॉपरेशन ऑफ द एजन्सीज हूएवर गिविंग इंटरनेट.
एक्शन इंटरनेट जाग्यार पडले. इंटरनेट बंद जाता कोणाक हरशीं इंटरनेट सारकें ना. स्पीकर सर, इंटरनेट हरशीं सारकें ना. ते बिल दिता इंटरनेटाची इतलें की इंटरनेट सारकें ना.
Because sir, we will talk during demand, but this is noted.
Benji Vegas.
Speaker sir and esteemed members of the House, there is a fear and anxiety in the minds of general public due to a pressing issue that affects the future of children and the foundation of our education system. The acute shortage of teachers in our schools and the exploitation of contractual teachers have reached crisis. Almost all our schools in the state are struggling with a severe shortage of teachers, resulting in a student-teacher ratio that is far more than ideal. This has led to a significant decline in the quality of education, leaving our children without necessary guidance and support. Furthermore, the plight of contractual teachers is deplorable. They are overworked, underpaid, and denied the benefits and job security that they deserve. This is causing a disruption to the education system again. I urge the government to take immediate action to address this issue. We need to fill the vacant teachers' positions, regularize the services of contractual teachers, and provide them with the necessary resources and support. Our children deserve quality education, and our teachers deserve dignity and respect. Let us work together to ensure that our education system is strengthened and our future generations empowered.
Noted,
Cruz
Speaker.
Silva. Shri Cruz Silva.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of residents of Valley constituency over frequent power cuts and low voltage during this monsoon that has resulted in great inconvenience and damage to household appliances. Concerned staff of Power Department will be directed to provide relief to people with immediate response and ensure timely maintenance of power supply line. Speaker, sir, at this time, सामके problem जाता. तर मातशें वेरली वचून मातशें नोटात दवरची कित्याक कंटिन्युअस पावर फेलियर आहा.
Shri Rudra Fernandes.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Santa Cruz constituency due to recent leakage of chlorine gas from a scrapyard at Bamonghat, Bhat Merse, due to which several people were hospitalized. What plans does the government have to resolve the same? Speaker, sir, Bamonghat या वाड्यार एक स्क्रॅपयार्ड आहा, जाली एक 40 वर्सां, आनी थिंगासर लागच्या लागीं घरां आहा, आनी अशीं घरां आसलेल्या फाक असले स्क्रॅपयार्ड बॅन जावंक जाय आनी ताका बंद करूंक जाय. कित्याक हे जे गॅस ज्या बायलांक पळय आतां तेंच्या लंग्सान गेल्लो आहा क्लोरीन गॅस, हो गॅस चड डेंजरस आहा आनी ह्या गॅसान कॅन्सर जाता. ताका लागून म्हाजी मागणी आहा आमच्या गोवोरमेंटा कडेन की तांकां ह्या पेशंटांक तांकां चॅकींग करूंक जाय एवरी मंथ. आनीक व्हडले स्क्रॅप यार्ड आख्ख्या गोंयान पळय आहा तांकां तांकां इन्स्पेक्शन जावंक जाय. व्हडले हजार्डस गॅस आयटम व्हडले आसोवंक कांय ना.
Shri Krishna Sarkar.
Here, sir, urgent need of repairs at the fishing jetty at Vasco, which currently serves 200 to 250 fishing trawlers. Although the government is in the process of constructing a permanent or a floating jetty to benefit the trawler owners, however, immediate repairs are crucial before the fishing season commences. The proximity to the sea makes it even more vulnerable to damage. In order to safeguard the interest of traditional fishermen, it is imperative that the government prioritize the maintenance of fishing jetty. सर हो विशय हांवें CM कडेन उलयला, ऑनरेबल फिशरीज मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयला. तांकां फक्त तें जाता तितले बेगीन तें करपाक जाय, कित्याक थंय डॅमेज जायत आसा ती फिशींग जेट्टी. हांवें 2 म्हयन्या पयलीं ती फायल मूव केल्ली आसा सर. तेन्ना CMन आमकां एक एश्युरन्स दिवचें की बेगींतल्या बेगीन तें करून दिवचें म्हणून. आनी मागीर परमनंट नाल्यार फ्लोटींग जेटी एक कित्याचो तरी जाचो DPR म्हाका दिसता रेडी जाला, तो तें बी एक सोल्युशन आमकां दिवचें परमनंटली.
स्पीकर सर, इट इज अंडर प्रोसेस. जाता तितके बेगीन आमी घेता. त्यांनी लक्षात आणून दिलं सरकाराच्या.